Alright, now let's talk about this same origin policy. Same origin policy is a security mechanism. So let's see what this does. And according to this same origin policy, a browser executes script only if request has same protocol, same domain name, and same port number. So this is very important, guys. Same protocol, same domain, and same port number. So let's see an example to get a better understanding. Suppose we are at https nikhil.com. You can see slash user1. So I have logged in as user1 and the URL is https nikhil.com user1. You can see the protocol is https and the domain name is nikhil.com and the port is 80 by default. And we cannot execute a script into other domain. Suppose if I load a JavaScript into this nikhil.com, and if I say https lenovo.com secret.txt, there is a, suppose let's think there is secret.txt file, and if I put this get request or post request using the any form using the JavaScript in the nikhil.com and ask for lenovo.com secret text, then this script will not be executed by the browser because the protocol is same https but domain name is different, lenovo.com and nikhil.com. So the difference in the domain will be identified by the browser, and that script regarding the request or for this lenovo.com will be discarded. And you can see here https nikhil.com same domain but the port number is 1234. That means there is another web service on the port 1234, and whenever I just use the script in the nikhil.com to access this secret.txt file, it will not execute because the port number is different. So this same origin policy defines that you can only run the scripts or access the documents that contains only the same domain, same protocol, same domain name and the same port number. Suppose there is another file in the nikhil.com slash say file2, then you can simply access the file2 because it's in the same protocol, same domain and same port number, but you cannot access the other port number or other domain names. So that is about the same origin policy. If this security mechanism is not set, then it raises very serious security problems. This is CSRF and other attacks. So we will see that in the CSRF. So basically the attacker will craft a link. So whenever you click on that link, a request like a get request or post request will be sent to the server on behalf of your session. That means suppose say secret.txt. Now I craft a script in this nikhil.com, and whenever user clicks on this, then a post request or get request will be sent to this secret.txt, but the output is not shown to the attacker but the script executes. So this is very important same origin policy. I hope you have understood. The browser executes script only if the request has same protocol or the same domain name and the same port number.